Hey everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. Today I'm going to show you how I create a listing. Okay, you're in your listings area in your Etsy shop. It says who made this item. I did. So you'd go ahead and click I did, and then what is it? And so you're going to go to a finished product. When did you make it? 2020 to 2022. And what is it? Jewelry. What type of jewelry? I'm going to choose hoops because most of my earrings are hoops. There you go. What type? Now, title. I'm going to start making, not a picture. It gives you the option to do your picture first. So add photos. I'm going to go to my pick, and then I'm just going to choose the one that I'm going to do a pretend listing of. And these are just different pictures. I'm going to choose those red Heishi beads right there. Red Heishi bead earrings. So then I go back and I make my choice. Okay. And I would go ahead, this is just a theoretical one, but I would go ahead and add my other photos there. They say to add as many photos as you can. You know, they provide a slot for 10. And now I'm at my title. And so what I'm going to do is just kind of go through the process of typing the title. I put red Heishi bead hoop earrings. It's a long key title word or like phrase. And then I'm gonna, and it also just tells exactly what the item is. And then I will put, you wanna make your titles, you know, as descriptive as you can and like what the item is. Many people get into the, something called E-Rank, and they look up different titles. This is just kind of an example. Once you have your good title and everything of, you know, how you would do this. So the next words I put are red earrings. And then I'm going to put stainless steel because that's what the hoops are made of. And I think I'm gonna put one more phrase. I'm gonna put handmade hoop earrings. Now, this is just an example. I encourage everyone to do lots of maybe research on your title. You can go to E-Rank and you know, whatever you need to do, but this is just an example. If anybody kind of needs some ideas, or if there are any beginners out there that just might need help, this is the process. Okay, for the description, you want to give as good a description as you can. You want to have in your listing like what the item is. You want to have the color. You want to have like the size. Things like that. You want to have all of your details. If you were a customer, what would you like to see in a listing? What's going to make you purchase that item? So you really, really need to have great pictures, great photos. And then the next thing is a good description. I've heard different people say different things. I know one person that I follow, she said that, you know, most people don't really read the listings, and I guess some might not. You know, I think the first thing that sells the item is the pictures, having really good pictures. But then I think it's very important to have a good descriptive description, and so that's just my 2 cents about that. But I have so far, these red hoops are very pretty. They are made with, and so I'm gonna go into, you know, details. What are these hoops made with? What did I use in the materials? They're made with red Heishi beads, And I'm gonna change it a little bit because I want to have it a little bit more concise. And so I'm gonna go back and add one more thing there, the stainless steel part, all in the same sentence. And you'll see there just in a second what I decided on. They're made with red Heishi beads. And I'm gonna, okay, they're made with stainless steel, hoops, red Heishi beads, and silver accent beads. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to get my comma there after the word beads. All right, there we go, and silver accent beads, because that's what the hoops are made of. And then I need to add something about the size there. They are 30 millimeters, and I could add in diameter there. And very light on the ears. And so this that's an example. I would also add something about my packaging, maybe that the hoops are hypoallergenic, anything that's going to make the customer know what the item is. I would include that in my description. And so, as I said, I'm no expert, but this is just a mock one. All right, I got my photo, and then it says select shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and select my shipping. Okay, sometimes you might want to do free shipping, but choose your shipping setting. Renewal options. I'm going to do manual. Automatic is what you would choose if you want Etsy just to go ahead and take the fees, but I'm going to do manual and hand do that myself. And let's see, where are we? We did our shipping. Okay, our tags. Now we're at the part where we put tags. They give you room for using 13 tags, and it's good to use all 13. So you see on the screen just different things that I've used in the past, but those are just some tags to use. Pick 13 of the best tags that you can think of. And then you're going to go down in materials. And this is pretty basic because they're just really 3 materials I used in these earrings. I used stainless steel, the red Heishi beads, and I used like silver beads. And so the materials that was pretty easy to answer. Okay, and now I believe the next section might be like a main color. Oh, shop settings. So I mean shop section. So I do have a shop section for my Heishi bead earrings. And okay, primary color. I'm sorry, there's the color. Put red and I could put boho hippie for the style. So let's see what part is next. We have the price. I'm gonna put $20. You know, this is a mock, a pretend one. There are many different things you can do for pricing, but make sure if you're doing free shipping that you include that into your price. So I'm gonna go to save listing, and there it is. And I'm gonna show you in a sec what it looks like when it's on the when it's like live. And I'm gonna go back and deactivate this when I'm done because it's pretend, but I wanted you to see what it looks like when it's live. So there it is. And I just created a listing in my Etsy shop. So I'm gonna just recap a little bit. Make sure you have good descriptions and great pictures and good pricing, and then go to sell.